My name is Jessica Steele. I'm one of the managing partners at Color Alliance, which is a full-service white glove Amazon agency out of North America. For us, for our agency, it's really important that we stay ahead of the curve, and everything that Augustus has put together has always been, what's working right now, and that's so important because Amazon's always changing. So that was really important for us to, I'm at this conference next month. One of our team members from Los Angeles is flying to the event in Amsterdam because Augustus has this great ability to collect all these incredible people. It's 2 days. It's not a really long conference, so it's easy to devote that amount of time, take screen grabs and share it with the team live, and then when I'm back home next week, we'll just go through each of our departments and kind of say, okay, this is what I learned from PPC, this is the latest, this is what I learned for customer experience, and this is the latest, this is the operations, this is the couple of tidbits that I took away. I think no matter where you are in your Amazon journey, continuing education is critical, and it's because what was working 6 months ago on Amazon isn't working now. It's always evolving, and not only is Amazon evolving, but so are your competitors. So coming to events like this, whether you've been on Amazon for 14 years or you just started 3 months ago, the guy I'm sitting next to has only been online for 3 months, we're both going to get stuff that's actionable no matter where you are. This event's fantastic. The length of the presentations is just right. And they're also, there's an opportunity that if you're new, the content's not overwhelming, but if you're more advanced and farther down the road, you can always grab one of the speakers. The speakers are very accessible. I've been to some events where, I've spoken at them where you're here and there's a sea of people and nobody can get to you. This is very intimate, and I love that because you can grab a drink or a cup of coffee with somebody between sessions, spoken with speakers and people that I've either connected with on LinkedIn before and just haven't really met them, or I've heard them on podcasts, or I've heard them on webinars, and I'm like, hey, I remember you were on such and such person's event, and I really liked what you talked about. So this is a really great opportunity to meet them, because we can get isolated working from home or working remotely. So yeah.